This is absolutely unbelievable. It is August the 11th, or August 12th, 2014, and we're getting hailstorm. I'm sitting outside, this is my backyard, and we are absolutely getting dumped on with hail. You see the size of the hail? Look like golf balls. Man, this is absolutely bonkers. I've never seen anything like this here in Arizona. This is crazy. Y'all check it out. Just so you know, it does get crazy weather here in Phoenix. Man, this is wild. Check it out. All right, I'm gonna go and get in the house. I'm gone. Holla.